Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning to apply for the NIMHANS PG courses, today is your last chance. Yes, you heard that right. The last date to apply is today for your PG courses under the NIMHANS institution. So everybody knows NIMHANS. NIMHANS is one of the India's premier institutions for mental health and neurosciences. It is offering various postgraduate courses in fields like psychiatry, neurology, clinical psychology, and many more. If you are looking to advance your career in these critical areas, NIMHANS is a great place to be. So here is the thing that last date to apply for this postgraduate program is today. Yes, March 31st is your final day. It means today. So now is the time to complete your application. Don't wait any longer. It takes hardly a half an hour to 1 hour. So before tonight, you can finish it all your criteria. And to apply, head over to the official website nimhans.ac.in. So you can see over here. So if you click on it, you will find it this home page. So scroll down, so announcement you will get. Under the announcement, click on the academics and admissions. So once you click on it, you will find an many of academic courses offers. So under that, admissions to various PG courses for academic year 2025-2026, July 2025 session. So it is announced on 7 March 2025. A closing date is today. Closing date is today, so please don't miss the chance. So to apply, head over the official website. Thereafter, you will find an academic and announcements. So admissions to various PG courses, click on it. So once you click, you will find it out application, guide, prospectus, and many more details, current updates. So you can please click on the application link. So here you will find it out a download prospectus at your right side of the corner in a blue mark. Even before this, under the application, you were seeing many more points. There also you can download the prospectus. If you go with the prospectus, there are many other opportunities. And this video is specifically for the nurses, those who have completed your masters in nursing, especially in psychiatry nursing, or else those who want to pursue a PhD in psychiatry, neuroscience, and those who want to do a fellowship courses in NIMHANS neuroscience as well as in the specialty of psychiatry for those purpose. So today is the last date. One more time I am repeating and reminding you people. So read all the rule and regulations and proceed for it. And before you proceeding, so once you proceed, actually you will have to credit your user ID login credentials. Okay, so that you can click it on user login. So home page, and the next option new registration, and the next user login. So in this, those who are already credited your user ID login credentials, then you can go for a user login. Those who have not credited, they can go for first new registration. So you have to create your credential IDs, and then you can go for the one more time login. So new registration, you will find it out your personal details like your name, gender, and then date of birth and mobile number and mail ID. So then you can generate your OTP, and thereafter with the same number you will get an OTP. So the same ID and same mobile number you can upload over here in user login, and then you will get an OTP. So once you put it, you will get an OTP on the same number. Then submit. So you will find the application formalities in a four categories: personal details, course and educational qualification, payment, and then last a printout or the status. Okay. So finish your all application details, educational qualification and ID proofs, and some of the documents PDFs they have asked, and for a sign and photocopy they've asked JPG formats. So please upload all your documents. Just those who want to apply for a master's, they need their previous qualification details, SSLC, PUC, and your degree certificates. That's all, and along with the caste certificate. And those who have completed a masters, if they want to complete the if they want to apply for a PhD courses, they need masters previous details like overall percentage, the grade, the marks each year, and your experiences. Even if you are applying for a masters, if you have an experience, you can upload those details also. So you people have to apply if you are from within a campus like Nimhans institute people or the staff. Then you can go for a project side if you are working in a projects. If you are having UGC or a NEET exam results, you are qualified to apply this all higher educations, then you can go for a sponsored sheets. If you are out of Nimhans category candidate, if you are out of Nimhans candidate, then you can go for a institute stipendary. So for a PhD, only one institute stipendary seat is there, and for masters, there are more than 10 seats, including masters in neuroscience in nursing and masters in psychiatry nursing. So once you are all formalities done, you can log out, and before log out, you just take a print out and just wait for the examination. So examinations will be in the um, month of May, last week. So please go to with website and get further more details, and don't miss out this incredible opportunity to be a part of Nimhans. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates like this. And if you have any queries or questions, please drop your queries and questions in the comment section. So we will answer you very soon. Best of luck with your applications. Thank you. Thank you so much.